Now keep in mind, if you're a hairdresser and you're willing to come over to the Hack Lab, I would love you to do that. But people are social distancing, and they should at this point. So I need to do something because I want my hair to look a little bit nicer than this. I am going to run into some problems during this video because I don't know what I'm going to do in the back. I'm just going to pray for the best. I may have to call in my dog. I may have to beg one of my my roommates, my wife or my daughter, to come inside the Hack Lab and cut my own hair. What if there was nothing in here and I had to reveal that? All right, so here is the clippers here. At this point, I'm getting slightly nervous. A couple things. First of all, I don't know how I'm gonna cut this without my glasses on, and I don't know how I'm gonna cut the top, but we'll see. But I plan on cutting my own hair during this video. Now, I got this extension cord here. I gotta plug this in. Place I go to, not to give them free advertisement, gives me, it's called Sports Clips. They give me a hot towel, they give me a massage, all for like 25 bucks. I paid $60 for this clipper, so I gotta get 3 haircuts out of this. And I have a feeling they're not gonna look as good as the haircuts that Miriam gives me over at Sport Clips. So what I want is I need a number 5, or not a number 5, a number 3. So here's the whole pack. Let's fire this up. Oops. Oh, this moves it up and down. That's kind of scary. Okay, so here's the 3. I like this. This is the Conair Professional one. I had to buy this. There's not a sponsor. I don't know why I'm trying to give you their name, but I'm just telling you that I like the chrome look to it. It looked pretty cool. So my hair's looking a little raggedy. So I have this iPad that I'm looking at that has my face in it on Photo Booth right now. So here I go. I seem to be backwards. It seems to be that, and now I'm gonna start this thing up. This part here usually is tapered in with scissors. I really feel like I'm gonna be cutting my hair off my ear off at any point. I've had these things, plastic things, fall off, and I cut my ear off. Okay. All right, guys, took about 10 minutes. The clippers were around $65. I couldn't do a straight hairline in the back, and I had to go blind in the back. The iPad or the phone really helped out as a mirror. You could use a regular mirror. The clippers, again, were a nice set of clippers. They are sold out on Amazon right now, but you can get these. They have oil to them, so I'm gonna oil the blades, and I'm gonna keep everything nice in the little case. Wherever the case went somewhere. But so far, my hair looks better than this. As far as I'm concerned, I'm extremely itchy right now because I didn't wear this little mask, this thing over here, but I can just go blow myself off with my weed whacker blower inside of the Hack Lab. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. I'm not sure if I did that in this video, but please help people out however you can. I love you. Take care. Peace out. Till next time. We'll see you later. Bye.